Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Trishina. On my channel, I do home decoration and lifestyle content. If you're interested in those kind of content, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and do a peel and stick tile installation. So I purchased this peel and stick tile from Amazon, and as you can see behind the stove, there's a already a backsplash there, but there's no tile beside the stove. So I really want to go ahead and add this peel and stick tile beside the stove and also over the other side as well. So right here I'm just cutting the edge of the peel and stick tile so that it can be smooth to start the process. So here I'm just peeling off the plastic on the front. I guess they put that plastic, so that it doesn't scratch or anything. And here I'm just taking off the sticker. Firstly, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this paper from the back. Normally, I'll just remove half of the paper, and then as I'm sticking the peel and stick tile, I'll just keep on moving the paper so that everything can stick smoothly. So that is what I'm currently doing here. Honestly, it was a bit difficult to install the peel and stick tile beside the stove because I have to get in between the stove and the wall, and then at the same time the tile is so sticky, so it was a process. Honestly, you guys, this process is easy, but it's very time consuming. So if you feel like you're getting frustrated, you can just go ahead and take a break and then start reinstall it again. So right here, I'm just measuring, and on the tile, it has something on there that says overlay here. So as you can see right there, it says overlay here. So that is what I'm doing. I'm just sticking the other peel and stick tile on top of the other one so that everything can be in line. And I just repeat the process until complete. So right here, I'm just measuring where to cut it at because I was trying to open the outlet, but I wasn't able to. So I had to cut around it. They installed the outlet lean, so therefore I would have to put the peel and stick tile around it. But I'll show you guys how I do that. As you can see, I didn't cut it all the way as close as possible to the outlet. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna go ahead and put the caulking around the outlet. So right here, this is where I'm gonna enter the caulking. Um, okay, so it is showing pink, but I promise you, whenever it's dry, it's gonna be white. So I'm just trying my best to be careful because normally whenever I use caulking, I normally use the blue tape, but I don't have any, and I'm just trying to do this and just get it over with. So as you can see, it's looking pink, but the next day it will show white, and I will also give you a preview of that. So this is the after, you guys. I'm impressed with it, and between the walls I'll definitely put the caulking, but I did just want to test it out at first over the other side, so I'll definitely put the caulking in between those walls later. But this is how the peel and stick turned out. So this is this same day. I'm gonna show you a clip of the next day. So I'm just doing a little decoration here with the vase and the tray and also those cup holders. And this is the after, you guys. It makes a huge difference, and it is also functional as well. I did change out the decor a little bit. I think this looks better. I also add lighting. So this is how it's currently looking. I'm so in love with it. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thanks for watching.